Busy being a legend, while learning from these lessons for real. Yeah, ring on, protect me from the peasants. Treat them like them not exist for real again. Ring on, busy being a legend, while learning from these lessons for real again. Ring on, protect me from the peasants. Treat them like them not exist. Side gun, protect my vision. Money I call, my live for my bin gun. Big up the hustlers. Back in the days, my mother do 4 jobs for the abortion. The clamp on the rise, we get them attention. Like say a devotion. Through the flow, them fresh and in a roll on. Pull up and shift the drives. I'm on a car, too busy, I get guitar. She not collect no call. She a tell me she feeling electrified. Me a the electrician. Specialist whenever the king attack. Them are my damn croissants. Can't face a man too late. Immune to all of the bullshit. That man don't need to prove shit. Man a king and them know this. Intellect but still foolish, but don't feel they can school me. 24 years do it. Fakes them I try prove shit. Show them what they do is then tell them everything Gucci. For part me I need discipline and keep it all game truly. This fucking world is so cruel. Let me get my rocket and moving. Me and my family floating. Nobody can control me. Busy being a legend, while learning from these lessons for real. Yeah, ring on, protect me from the peasants. Treat them like them that exist for real. Yeah. Dodging my enemy, sipping on Hennessy. Even lost the people and freedom me. Please them fear me, fuck you. If you no fuck with me, niggas they hunting me. But I got my angels protecting me. Committing felonies, never got prison. I'm a dog one, him know the case, no face, no trace. Think them a top strike, I tell them I send mafia for bust them days. Kick off your face, run the chain. Now comply with shot your ears. Take your gun from off your waist, you flat chili. Grab me but we still a sin, so we stay. Do a thing and carry weight. Own a lane and own a pace. Fuck them race, whole industry full of fakes. Me, them can never face. All about my clan by on the cheddar, still emancipate. Yeah, busy being a legend, while learning from